morning students. How are you? Fine. Very good. I am also good. So today the date is 5th August 2020 and today day is Wednesday. What is day today? Tell me loudly. Wednesday. Very good. So our subject is fun sheet and day is 5. So in fun sheet I want to discuss you about summer season. Fine. So first I want to show you this. What is this? This is sun. In summer season what happens? The sun shines in the sky. It gives us light. It gives us energy. It gives us or not? Yes. And it also gives heat. So in summer season what happens? The sun gives us heat and we start sweating. Fine. So water level goes down in our body. So what we have to do? We have to drink plenty of water. Fine. To keep ourselves fit, we have to drink plenty of water, especially in summer season. Fine. And we have to try to eat the food which is juicy and very watery. Fine. Or what we have to use when we go out in summer season? We have to use sunglasses, umbrella. Fine. So I want to tell you more things about summer season. Fine. Let's start. So students, can you see this picture? The sun is shining in the sky. This is summer season. Activities in summer season. First, in summer season we can go to beach. Now we can do swimming with our friends, with our family members. We can play in water with our friends. We can do surfing like she is doing. She is playing in water. She is doing surfing. We can make sand castle. So when we go to the beach, there we can see sand and we can make sand castle. Things that keep us cool in summer season. We can eat watermelon. In summer season we have to eat watermelon because it is watery food. We can eat ice creams. So outside there is coronavirus, so we should not eat ice cream from market. You have to ask your mom. She will prepare the ice cream for you and that ice cream you can eat. We can drink juice. Juice is very healthy for us. It increases our immunity. We have to drink in summer season which juice? Lemon juice, mango juice. Fine. We can eat mango. So this fruit we can eat in summer season. Fine. So now I want to show you 2 pages of your fun sheet book. Let's start. Students, see this page, page number 8 of your fun sheet book. Summertime. Let's cool off. What is this? Watermelon. You have to do color in this picture. Mango. And this is sun. You can do color in this picture also. What is this? This is cold drink and this is ice cream. So what you have to do? You have to do color in these picture. In summer season we can eat lots of ice creams. We can drink cold drink and we can eat watermelon. We can eat mango. Fine. Next page. So students, this is page number 15 of your fun sheet book. So in this page you have to color the pictures related to summer season. Here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pictures. So I have already shown you some activities that we do in summer season. So in this page also you have to find out the same activities and you have to do color in that pictures. Suppose swimming, we can do swimming in summer season. We eat watermelon in summer season. We drink juice in summer season. We eat mango in summer season, and we also eat lots of ice creams in summer season. So in these pictures you can do color. Fine. So in this way you have to complete this page. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.